Hello everyone, Eric back with this 2008 Dodge Nitro, and I'm going to work on the side trim of the driver's seat. Got the part, I'll put a link down below for it. And I haven't seen the video actually on for this, so this may be a quick little video how to actually replace this part. I'm going to have to figure it out myself. I read on the forum of how to do it. Looks like there's a clip on the actual handle that lets the upper portion of the seat up and down, and once you get that off, then there's just screws holding the actual trim piece on that's on the side of the seat. So let's get to it. So this is what we're going to be looking at replacing, is this whole trim panel here, and supposedly there's a clip holding this part on, like an old door handle roll-up window would be. And from what it looks like, there's a screw back here, Phillips, and there's another screw here, Phillips. This is the replacement. Here's the part number P1PL971DVAA-001. This is the one for the manual, and it fits kind of like that. So there's two more screws. One is right here on this trim and one's here. It looks like I'm going to have to back the seat back to get to them. They're Phillips screws also. So let's get into it. Get a little Phillips for this. Take this out. Alright, so I let the seat back to get access to this screw right here, because I had it moved up so I could get access to the panel. So I'm going to take this one out too. Unscrew it. Just a little Phillips screw. Just put it there for now. See if this comes out the way. Let's see. Well, this makes it come loose. That's tied to the actual seat. Let's see if we can see a clip in here. I need to talk about the clip. Y'all see a clip? So I'm looking at taking these two out. This probably wouldn't be the right procedure, but since it's already broken, the heck with it. I'm gonna lift this handle up right here, and because that'll go up and then get this taken out. So go ahead and get that coming out. All right, so it looks like there's a Torx bolt for this seat belt that needs to come out the way to actually get access to it. So let me figure out what that is. I found a bit that's needed. It's a T50. Got the ratchet with the socket on there. I'm gonna lift this handle, and it's kind of hard to see from here, but lift this handle and break that bolt loose. So what's happened is the seat belt bracket has actually turned. So what I'll probably just do is just take this top one out, then turn it back up to get the one on the bottom one out, and make it easy. So I don't have to take this whole bolt out. This bolt is tough. Now see what's happened is that the actual whole trim piece that we're looking at replacing has come loose, and it looks like I can get to some kind of clip in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this thing because it's getting replaced anyway. I'm just taking a pair of pliers and gonna break it out the way so I can pull it out and see where this clip is. Man, I'm looking at this, like, where is this clip? I don't think it has a clip. I'm just gonna try to scoot it off and then pop it back on. Good old WD-40. Shoot it right on here. It's gonna be hard to see for y'all, but it's gonna be right on here. Let it soak for a minute and try to pry this handle off right here. That's the only thing that's holding me back. Alright, failure. This thing was definitely stuck on there without a clip. I ended up breaking it off, because there should be a clip that fits right around the bottom and holds it in. This thing is sandwiched on there pretty good. So I'm just going to replace this plastic, and we'll just have to get another handle.